self-righteous bitch, thinking you can solve it, crying in the ambulance 'cause you agreed to call it. Self-righteous prick, thinking you could solve it, crying in the station 'cause you're not the center of attention. You and I are not same cloth. I know, but I have a list of books. I will grow, I can get stronger. I will show, and if you still don't love me, I will go, self-righteous bitch, you can't solve this. It's been me since I was 6. You can't solve it. I swallowed a bottle, jumped into the water, biked down a cliff. You can't solve it. Don't tell me to talk to you. If the words I say you spit out to everybody too. Hello, come over for tea, I've got a story I'll tell you all about Kashi, and please stay for dinner too. Please, I made tea, oh I'm so lonely, please stay, please stay. When I was 6, I put my stomach on the seat of a swing. I started rotating, the chain was constricting around my ribs, I didn't move. I knew I had sinned, so that night in the shower, 20 minutes of our fathers to the coldest water. You threw a rock at my knee and it shattered into 73 pieces. Oh, your rock, not my knee. For that I'm so sorry. For that I'm so sorry. For that I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. You threw a paper crane into the crevices of my corollary veins, and it broke and burned to bloody shreds. I'm not gonna forgive ya this wreckage. No. You gave me a lock in my blood. Inside it I tucked it into my eyelids so I could see you at night. Yesterday I kissed the closet door 10 times, and I couldn't speak 2 words without a rhyme. And I felt like I was tripping, I was in that high, and I couldn't think of a thing that wasn't alright. But that's in the but that's in the myself staring at the trees, and they looked so lovely flying there in the breeze. And I wanted to lie on the footpath and let them watch over me. But I'm told in Japan that's a bit edgy. But that's in the high, but that's in the high, I want in the high, oh come my, oh my, I want in the high, oh me, oh my. Yesterday I couldn't breathe, I know what else is new. And I started thinking how many guys felt my ribs as I tried to breathe again and again. I counted to 5 before I could count to 3, and I thought something's definitely missing in me. Oh, you know